Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on JEDSTAR. Well, I have a couple of updates to share on JEDSTAR which recently has been released, and one is regarding the pre-sale of cred and the other is regarding the articles which are published in press sites. This is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion, guys. So let's head over to JEDSTAR's website first and have a look at all these updates that are there. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space. And I have also done a basic research video on how you can actually go ahead and find out whether the project is good or not. Again, certain tips and tricks on how you need to check whether the project is not a rug pull and not a scam. So you can just go ahead and check out that video in my playlist of crypto wisdom. I have also made another video for NFT scams, how they happen and how you can actually be a little aware of avoiding those. So please do check that as well. Now let's head over to the cred pre-sale info webpage, and in this we have the three tiers for the pre-sale. The first being the 800 USD, the second being the 2000 USD, and the third being 4000 USD. Now in one of my earlier videos, I had actually quoted the number of slots that are available for each tier. Well, I'll just give you the updated numbers. The first one for 4000 USD, that is the tier 3, has 100 slots. The second one, 2000 USD, has 1000 slots. And the third one, 800 USD, has 2500 slots. Guys, this is pretty huge, especially the 800 USD one, which has 2500 slots, because that's a very good price point in case you're not able to get into these two, because the first one has only 100 slots, the second one has 1000 slots. But if in case you miss out on your opportunity to get into these two, you can always buy multiple slots of tier 1, that's the 800 USD one. So it's 2500 slots. Earlier in my other video I had quoted it as 2000. I did receive an update on this, so it is 2500 slots that are there. Now it is 10 million tokens that you would be getting in this tier per slot. So it's a first come first serve basis. That's the fairest way that the team has decided to go ahead with the pre-sale, guys. More details will be revealed in the coming days, so just wait for those and join the Telegram group, join the Discord group to receive constant updates on what's happening and when the pre-sale would be occurring. And this would not be something of a stealth launch or a stealth pre-sale that would happen. Everyone would be made aware of when the pre-sale would be happening, and you would also be given sufficient time frame for you to get prepared with the funds. The KYC needs to get through, and that's the only hold up that's happening, since they want to ensure that there is no legal issues that would come up when it comes to doing KYC. And they're also planning to automate the process of KYC as well once the pre-sale portal is made available for us. So after this cred pre-sale happens, the cred obvious public launch would happen, and after the public launch happen is when you can expect star staking and Agora Marketplace also to roll out. Why is it that star staking and Agora Marketplace is to be delayed because of this pre-sale of cred happening? Very simple, guys. Agora Marketplace has the currency of cred. So cred is the way that you can go ahead and transact in that marketplace by purchasing NFTs or even trading them in that marketplace. And also, when it comes to star staking, the rewards are given to you in cred. So a minimum of 1000 JEDSTAR tokens is what you need to stake, and up to 120x time is what you would be able to get the rewards of cred in. So that's for a period of 360 days. If you scroll down to the down portion of star staking in the website, you can see that it's up to 120 times the number of tokens that you have taken in star staking platform. So this reward is also in terms of cred. When cred itself is not yet launched, then how would you be able to distribute your rewards to all the people who have used star staking, right? So this is the logic behind those two platforms being a little delayed until the pre-sale is completed. And the pre-sale is now delayed not because of the JEDSTAR team, but they want to ensure everything is in legal aspects, it's all good, and the KYC and other stuff, they abide by all the rules from various regions across the world. It's not specific to one single area or entity where they say, okay, in US, these are the rules that I need to abide, and let's go ahead and apply it and launch a pre-sale for the entire world. That cannot happen because each region has a separate rule where they need to follow whenever they're conducting ICOs. And I've quoted this earlier in my other video as well. JEDSTAR is getting registered as a company, guys. So it is high time that ensure that they cannot get into any of the legal issues in anywhere across the world. So they want to do it as legally, as transparently, as trustful as possible in the crypto space out there. Moving on to what is the big update on the press releases. Well, we have two press releases that have happened. That's today at November 22nd. One is on Asia One, JEDSTAR gearing for the launch of its metaverse and expanding its GameFi and play to earn offerings. So this is something huge. I have also spoken about this. JEDSTAR is not just a normal project, guys. They have some pretty big plans up their sleeve, and it's only a matter of when instead of saying if. So they have already partnered with Frag Games. They have remote control productions. They have skill gaming partnership. They have Chainlink specifically, wherein they are establishing a cross-chain platform, and that would definitely aid the metaverse once it kicks in. So if Jetstar is a metaverse project, trust me, it will be really huge, and you can see some great potential in the coming days. That's my personal opinion. Again, I leave the decision to you guys. So you can see here what the article is quickly running through. Jetstar's first DeFi token Jet which has seen a 100,000% price increase within only 3 months. And thanks to the current entry point, price of Jet is 85 cents at the time of writing that article, and the market cap of 35 million. It is seen as the DeFi token of 2022 with its star staking program up to 12,000% API. That's 120x for you guys, and slated to be launched before the end of 2021. Cred will be the official currency of Jetstar's flagship games, as well as Stardome, a high casual gaming platform launching Q1 2022. So this is actually something which was not there in the roadmap. I had told you when initially in one of the earlier videos, when I was going to the roadmap contains only a small portion, guys, but there are much more things happening which are not listed in the roadmap as well. So this is one among them. This is not there in the roadmap. So Stardome came in all of a sudden for me, and this is actually a exciting news for me as well, because I'm a gamer and I love playing games. And if you can actually go ahead and start earning cred by playing these games in the Stardome as early as Q1 2022, then I would be really happy. Agora is an exclusive NFT marketplace doubling up as an in-game asset marketplace, as well as the upcoming metaverse. Well, this is pretty huge. Now, what is happening with Jet ecosystem is they're not just building, okay, we are going to have 3 tokens in the ecosystem, we are going to have just a game, and we are going to just have some NFTs. That's not the way they're operating. They're operating in such a manner that each and every aspect of DeFi and GameFi and NFTs is built into one single unit. So that's the way that they're looking at, and metaverse is the place where you can bridge each and every aspect of GameFi, DeFi, and NFTs, and also have some fun with all the people out there in the entire world. So this is really big, guys. This press release will definitely give a lot more exposure to Jetstar. This is one among the press release. The same similar article is also released in one more website, which is cryptobuzz.uk. So a lot of big things happening in terms of the marketing in the background. And now we can see that certain aspects of marketing have been started to kick off. And if you come down to the price of Jetstar, it's currently at 76.9 cents. So let me just refresh this for you so that I get the actual current price at the time of recording this video. It is 76.9. Yeah, no changes on that. If I zoom out, the chart is where you can see the real potential of price action that has been happening with Jetstar. You can see it was way around here at the beginning of November, which was somewhere around 6 to 8 cents, guys. It is that portion at the beginning of November. And how many days it has been? It's just 22 days of November. And where are we at? We are at 76 or close to 80 cents. It's almost at 10x right now within just this 20 days of period. Now, what's happening here is a very good consolidation. That's the technical aspect. So if any one of you are well versed with technical analysis for the chart, you would definitely agree to what I'm quoting here. It's a very good consolidation that's happening between the range of 85. There is a strong resistance between 85, 90 cents and that $1 mark. So it is again dropping back to that support of 75 cents. It's holding on strong. It's a good consolidation that's happening. And one more thing that I would like to quote is the number of holders have been steadily increasing day on day. You can see it's almost 4,412 holders right now. It is still very early. That is my honest opinion, guys. Decision, again, I told you, you can make it from your end. It is still very early to get into Jet. So if you have 1,000 Jetstar, with you is when you can actually participate in the pre-sale and then buy any of the tires that you are interested in for credit, right? That's how it is designed. So, and also, even if not for the pre-sale, even if you cannot afford to go ahead and buy 1000 Jetstar right now, accumulate what you can actually afford to get, because you can also go ahead and keep those tokens for a long period of time, and that investment would definitely be fruitful, because this market cap that we are seeing right now and the price that is happening with the supply in case of Jetstar, which is just a total of 100 million tokens. Trust me, this has a lot of potential in terms of price movement. I've been quoting this because any token in the crypto space, it's pure mathematics. I'm not trying to hype this project in any manner. It is pure mathematics. The circulating supply is very less, and that's where you can see that the price action would be moving in terms of high numbers as and when we see the price action starting with Jetstar. So this is it about this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And when I look at the entire crypto market, well, it's all in the red. And how is Jetstar? It's holding strong with that support line right now. It's been doing it from the past 1.5 week time also. And even though massive sell-offs are there, we can see that people are eating the dip pretty quick. And this is not happening from existing wallets, guys. These are new investors who are planning to get into the project. So that is where I would see that this is still an organic growth and a good consolidation that's happening. It is just that matter of time when a breakthrough would happen, and we can definitely see the price of Jetstar skyrocket to $1 to $1.5 as and when we break that resistance of 90 cents or $1 mark. That's my honest opinion and my analysis. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have fun and take care, guys.